Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is an Excel tutorial on how to create a name range and then create a list based on that name range. In this example, we find that uh, we want to create a list of common Washington State apples. So what I've found here is a list of apples, common Washington State apples, that I want to create a list from in Excel. So we open up an Excel worksheet. So what I just did is I copied those varieties of apples from that website. And I'm going to paste into Excel, and notice how the paste puts all of the apple varieties into one cell. Well, we don't want that because we're not able to use that to create our list from. So what we're going to do is click on the control icon here for paste options, and then we're going to click on match destination formatting. And so what that does is it's going to lay out the varieties of our data. And next we're going to go to data and click on text to columns, and check delimited option. And delimited is going to allow us to break up the data by using the comma characters. So click on next, check comma, and then just click on finish. And now each of our data values, our varieties of apples, have been put into their own cell. But what we want to do next to create our name range, we want to copy those values and paste special. Actually, under paste options, click on transpose. And what that's going to do is it's going to shift the data from row to column. So now all of our varieties are in a column format. Now you see here the data values for the Crips, Pink, and Cameo are all in one cell. That happened because there wasn't a comma. So the text to column did not work on those values because there was no comma. So I'm just going to cut out the Cameo, paste into the cell below. Okay, so I'm just going to clean this up, get rid of the data values on the row. And next, I'm going to highlight the cells, all of the cells in that column with our data to create our name range. And to do that, it's really easy. You just go up here to this name box in the upper left-hand corner, rename it to whatever you want it to have your name range. And I'm going to call it Apple Variety. And then just click enter. Let's say we want to create our list in another sheet. What I'm going to do is create a header. Let's call it Washington State Apple Varieties. I'll name it Common Washington. I think there's probably hundreds, if not thousands, of varieties. But these are the common ones. And I want to to make that look a little bit better. So I'm going to choose wrap text. Okay. And then I'm going to center the contents, make it bold, choose a bottom border. Okay, now let's say that uh, the cells below is where we want to create our list. So I'm just going to highlight a few cells here to create our list. And so go to the Data tab, go to Data Validation, and in the Settings tab, change the Allow Any Value to List. In the source, we are going to put equals, and then whatever you named your name range, you're going to type in here. So I named in my apple variety, and just click OK. And there you saw the drop down arrow. So that's the drop down list. Okay. So that enables you to have a drop down list of a list that you copied from a website. And you're not going to have to worry about spelling unless the website had the spelling wrong. But this is a nice way to get a complete list real quick, and create a drop-down list from that name range values. And I think another benefit of having a name range value, let's say you want to add a new variety or some more data. So what I'm going to do is right click on the row, click Insert, and here another apple variety that we could add in here. Let's just for fun, let's just say we created a new variety of apple, and it's going to be an orange apple. People are always talking about apples and oranges. Just for kicks and giggles, add that in here. So notice when you highlight these cells, the name range value still is called apple variety. So that's our name range value. Now let's go see if when we go into the drop-down list, if that new apple variety will show up in our list. And there it is. So that's a nice way to also create a master list of the data in one spot. And then from that master list, you can create a drop-down from that master list and pick your data value that you want. In this case, it's apple varieties. So there you go. Hope this was helpful, and I hope to add some more tips and tricks soon. Thank you.